Hi everyone, in this video tutorial we are going to explain how to change a client's tariff without the need to create a new plan. Let's go to the Users menu. We will be working with this test user. We can see he has a premium plan. So to begin, let's go to the Tariffs menu, and then let's filter to the premium plan. This is the user's plan. Let's look for the prefix 5411 as an example. We can see that the sale value is 0.0147. So let's change it to 0.02. Let's change the minimum sale and rounding values and then save this. The tariff is now modified. So let's log this user into a soft phone and test a call to the 5411 prefix. We can see that the call is now connected and executing. Let's hang this call up. Now let's take a look at the CDR menu. We can see the test call that we just made. We can see that the tariff was charged at 2 cents, as we set it. This change would apply to all users since we changed the prefix in the plan. But let's imagine now that we want only the test user to have a different tariff for that number, or prefix. In MBilling 3, we have a new menu and a new feature, which is the user rate menu. It allows us exactly that. So let's go to Tariffs and then User Rate. Now before we test, we will return the original plan tariff for the 5411 prefix to what it was set to before. So now we will modify the tariff just for this one test user. Let's go to the user rate field and then enter the user. In this case it's 73698, which is our test user. For destination, we can use filters to find the one we're looking for, which in this case is 5411. Now we will select that. Here we will set a custom sales price, and we can also set a custom minimum and rounding value. We will save our changes. We can now open up our soft phone, logged in as that user, and then make a test call. We can see that the call has now connected. Let's go ahead and hang up this call. Now we will go back to the CDR to take a look at the call logs. We can see the new call, which was just made, and we can see that it was charged at the custom rate we sent specifically for this user. This rate would only affect this user. Anybody else on the premium plan or any other plan would not be affected when dialing the 5411 prefix. So a quick note about how this works. MBilling first looks up the tariff for the prefix, and if it finds it, it will then look into the user rates menu, and if it finds a match in the user rates, it will use that value. The prefix must match exactly. The idea is to change 1, 2, or even up to 10 prefixes with this option. If you want to modify large quantities, it's still best to make a new rate plan. There are many potential uses for this, such as promotions to certain numbers, or giving a promotional value to local calls. Many providers use this for different types of promotional options, such as weekend promotions or similar tasks, which it's best to do using the user rate menu instead of creating a new plan. But it only applies for small amounts of prefixes. That will conclude this video. Remember to subscribe to our channel. This video is sponsored by Synapse Global, www.synapseglobal.com.